How to pair a PAX card terminal with an Elavon Acquirer Agreement. Before starting the pairing process, it's essential that your card terminal is connected to a stable network. On the terminal, press the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Wi-Fi settings and connect to your network. If you are already connected, it's a good idea to forget Save Networks to prevent the terminal from switching networks during operation. Now, move on to the POS system. Tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner and navigate to Settings. Under Card Payment, ensure that PAX is selected as the card terminal. Then, press the button labeled Pair Card Terminal using QR code. This will open a smaller window with the iPad's camera active. Go back to the card terminal and press the three dots again. This time, select Pair from the menu. A QR code will now be displayed on the card terminal screen. Use the iPad to scan the QR code displayed on the terminal. Once the scanning is complete, you should receive a message confirming that the pairing was successful. Your PAX card terminal is now paired and ready to use with the Elavon Acquirer Agreement.